Good morning, students. Today, chapter 3, motion in a straight line. Yes, we have completed this chapter, but now we are solving some more extra questions for preparation of JEE and NEET. Okay, if you are asked questions of some higher level, then how to solve such questions? Okay, so remember, this last 3 or 4 lectures, they are for your extra practice, okay, for JEE or NEET. So here we have one question. The displacement of an object varies with time as x is equal to 80 plus bt square minus ct cube, where a, b and c are constants. Find the velocity of object when its acceleration is 0. When its acceleration is 0. See what you have to do. You are given displacement. X is equal to 80 plus bt square minus ct cube. Okay. You have to find velocity when acceleration is 0, means you have to find both things, velocity and acceleration. How to find velocity? See, v is equal to, we know if we differentiate x with respect to time, that is v is equal to dx upon dt, we will get velocity. What is differentiation of at? It is only a. What is differentiation of bt square? It is 2bt. What is differentiation of ct cube? It is minus 3ct square. So it is equation of velocity. Also, you know that when velocity is differentiated by time, when you take differentiation of velocity with respect to time, okay, then you will get acceleration. So acceleration is equal to dv upon dt is equal to, differentiate with respect to time, a constant, its differentiation 0, plus 2bt, it is only 2b, minus 3ct square means it is 6ct. So it is equation of acceleration. Okay, so now first of all you have to find from x to b and b to a with the help of differentiation. Now what is your question? Find the velocity of object when its acceleration is 0. Now do you know when acceleration is 0? No. Do you know time when acceleration is 0? No. So first of all you have to find this. See, in this equation number 3 is equation number 1, it is equation number 2, and equation number 3. Put acceleration is 0 in equation number 3. So if you put acceleration is equal to 0 in equation number 3, you will get it is 2b minus 6c. So therefore 6c is equal to it is 2b, and therefore t is equal to it is 2b upon 6c. So yes, you will get t is equal to it is b upon 3c. Means it is time b upon 3c when acceleration becomes 0. You have to find velocity when acceleration is 0. So in equation of velocity, now you have to put time t is equal to b upon 3c. You have to put value of time t is equal to b upon 3c. How? See, from equation number 2, v is equal to a, yes, here it is a, plus 2b. What is value of t? It is b upon 3c. Minus 3c. What is value of t? It is b upon 3c, means square. So it is b square upon 9c square. Clear about this? Okay. So is equal to it is a plus 2b square upon 3c. Any doubt? Okay. C cut 3 into 3. So it is b square upon 3c minus b square upon 3c. Clear about this? Okay. Now last step is equal to it is a plus. Now see, if you observe this term, 2b square upon 3c minus b square upon 3c. So in this last two steps, last two terms, 3c in denominator, it is common. So you take direct addition of numerator, that is 2b square minus b square means it is b square upon 3c. Okay, so yes, it is equation of velocity when acceleration is 0. Clear? Okay, see, we have seen one example in which you are given displacement. From displacement, how to find velocity with the help of differentiation. From velocity, how to find acceleration with the help of differentiation. Now what is given? See this question. Let acceleration of a particle is given by a is equal to 5t plus 2. Starting from origin in rest condition, obtain distance traveled in time t. Obtain distance traveled in time t. See how to find. You are given acceleration and you have to find distance or displacement. Okay, so see, it is reverse question. In this question you are given x and you have to find v and a. But in this question you are given acceleration and you have to find distance. You have to find distance. One more thing, a is equal to 5t plus 2. Here acceleration is not uniform. Here acceleration is not uniform. So you cannot use equations of uniformly accelerated motion, that is v is equal to v0 plus at, x is equal to v0 t plus half at square, v square minus v0 square is equal to 2ax. You cannot use these equations, okay, because here acceleration is not uniform. Then how to find such questions? See here it is, carefully. First of all, you are given acceleration, so you can write like this: a is equal to 5t plus 2. Now, a, we know that acceleration is dv upon dt. So, is equal to, it is 5t plus 2. Clear about this? Okay. Now, make dv as subject. Then dv is equal to, it is 5t plus 2 dt. Clear? So, what is meaning of this? For change in time dt, change in velocity is dv. Okay. Okay. We have to find up to time t, from time 0 to time t. Then what to do? We will integrate this equation. Integration dv is equal to integration 5t plus 2 dt. Now what about limit? What about limit? We have to find distance traveled in time t. This side integration is with respect to time. So, if we are starting from time t is equal to 0, and if we want to find displacement at time t, then limit is from 0 to t. Clear about this? Okay. Now, what is limit of v? Velocity. See, starting from origin, from rest condition. Initially, object is in rest condition. Initially, object is in rest condition. So, its initial velocity is 0. And that final velocity is v. And that final velocity is v. Okay. So, okay, what is limit? Clear? Now, integration. See. Integration dv, we know it is v, limit is from 0 to v, okay, is equal to, what is integration of 5t plus 2? It is 5t square by 2 plus 2t, limit is from 0 to t, okay, and it out, okay. Now put limit, upper limit minus lower limit, v minus 0, this v is replaced by upper limit v, minus this v is replaced by lower limit 0, is equal to this side, this t you have to first of all replace by this t, then minus 0. So you will get it as 5t square by 2 plus 2t minus 0 minus 0. Okay, so what is v? V is equal to, it is 5 square by 2 plus 2t. Hello, it is equation of velocity, half question, half solution. Okay, from acceleration, how to find velocity. From acceleration, how to find velocity. Now, we have to find distance. Then what to do? See, here it is. V is equal to, what we get? V is equal to, it is 5 square by 2 plus 2t. 5 square by 2 plus 2t. Again, as we have to find distance or displacement, I can write this V as dx upon dt, dx upon dt, and is equal to, it is 5t square by 2 plus 2t, 5t square by 2 plus 2t. Clear about this? Now make this dx as subject, then dx is equal to 5t square by 2 plus 2t, and here it is dt. Now you know what to do. Integrate this equation to find total distance traveled. Okay, so integration dx is equal to integration 5t square by 2 plus 2t. Here it is dt. Again, this side integration is with respect to time. Then what to take limit of time? It is 0 to t. Here, what to take limit of distance? Starting from origin. Starting from origin means initial position, initial distance is 0, and you have to find distance traveled in time t, that it is x. Okay, so now integrate this. What is integration dx? It is x. Limit is from 0 to x. Okay, is equal to this side 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 5 by 2 as it is. What is integration of t square? It is t cube by 3. It is t cube by 3 plus 2 as it is. What is integration of t? It is t square by 2. And it out. Okay, upper limit and lower limit. Clear about this? Okay. Integration of dx is x. Put limit x minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit. This side it is 5 by 6 t cube plus this 2 cut, 2 cut. Then it is only t square minus 0, minus 0. Okay. So what is equation of x? X is equal to 5 by 6 t cube plus t square. So see, it is one question in which you are given a and you have to find x. Now see, understand, if you are given x, to find v, differentiate. To find acceleration, again differentiate. Okay, so x to v and v to a, you have to consider, you have to take differentiation. But if you want to find displacement and velocity from acceleration, you have to take its integration. You have to take its integration. Clear about this? Pause your video and write down from board. Okay, Vidyarthi. See, we have studied what is differentiation. Okay, yes, differentiation of simple term. But now you are given some complicated term, then how to differentiate it? See, for example, if you are given d upon dx 2x plus 3d whole square, then yes, you know how to differentiate this. First of all, simplify this. D upon dx 2x plus 3 whole square. Yes, you know how to find whole square. Then yes, you can easily find its solution. 2x square means it is 4x square plus 3 square means it is 9 plus 2ab means 2x into 3, 6x plus 2 means it is 12x. Clear about this? And now you know how to find its differentiation. So it is very easy. Okay. 4 as it is. What is differentiation of x square? It is 2x. 9 constant. Its differentiation is 0. Plus 12. What is differentiation of x? It is 1. So yes, your answer is it is 8x plus 12. Yes, it is simple. Yes, it is simple. Yes, simple. Now next question. See. D upon dx of 2x plus 3 whole raised to 7. Find this. 2x plus 3 whole raised to 7. Whole raised to 7. Yes, that is a problem. Okay. Then how to differentiate such function? With the help of chain rule. With the help of chain rule. What is chain rule? What is chain rule? Understand? Easily. Okay. See, here it is. You know that what is equation? What is equation? General formula. Here it is. D upon dx of x raised to n is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. Yes or no? See how to see. Differentiation is with respect to x. This n is power of only x. This n is power of only x. This n is power of only x. Then yes, you can easily write it is n x raised to n minus 1. Clear about this? Okay. Again, differentiation is with respect to x. This n is only power of x. No additional term. No additional term. It is only x. Then its answer is n x raised to n minus 1. Okay. But now here, see, it is power. And it is power of 2x plus 3. Is this term only x? Is this term only x? No, it is not only x. So we will consider this term as additional term. We will consider this term as additional term. And how to find its differentiation? See, it is simple. First of all, you have to apply this formula. First of all, you have to apply this formula. See how to apply. D upon dx of 2x plus 3 whole raised to 7. See, in bracket, term in bracket, it is called additional term. Term in bracket, it is called additional term. Okay, how to find it? See, first of all, 7 as coefficient. Okay, then 2x plus 3, decrease one power, means it is 6. Clear about this? 7 as coefficient, 2x plus 3 as it is, and decrease one power. Now this 2x plus 3 is additional term, so you have to differentiate this additional term again. You have to differentiate this additional term again and multiply with this term. And multiply with this term. Clear about this? Again, d upon dx of 2x plus 3 whole raised to 7. Okay, then yes, this 7 is not power of 7, is not power of x. Then you have to consider this term as additional term. How to solve it? First of all, apply this formula. Apply this formula, that is 7 as coefficient, 2x plus 3, decrease one power, that is 6. But what is additional method? This additional term you have to differentiate again with the same quantity. Okay, then how to solve it? See, is equal to, it is 7 2x plus 3 raised to 6. What is d upon dx of 2x plus 3? Yes, we know it is 2 plus 0. 2x, it is 2, and 3, that is constant, means 0. Okay, so is equal to 7 2x plus 3 whole raised to 6, and it is only 2. You can multiply this 2 here. So it is 14 2x plus 3 raised to 6. Clear about this? Okay, now we will see one more example. See, here it is. D upon dx of ax square plus bx raised to minus 2. You know how to find square. You know how to find square. But here it is minus 2 power. Here it is minus 2 power. Then how to find? See how to find. First of all, again you have to ask the question. Differentiation is with respect to x. Power is minus 2. But is this power of only x? No, it is of ax square plus bx. It is not only x, means it is additional term. Okay, so you have to use chain rule. You have to use chain rule. First of all, apply this formula. See how is equal to this minus 2 power as coefficient. Decrease one power, means it is ax square plus bx. Decrease one power means minus 3. Clear about this? Now differentiate additional term, means it is ax square plus bx. See, you have to differentiate additional term, but which additional term? Which is inside bracket. Do not write power. Okay, do not write power. Okay, so now how to solve this? It is minus 2 ax square plus bx raised to minus 3. And what is differentiation of ax square plus bx with respect to x? It is 2ax plus b. It is 2ax plus b. Clear about this? Then is equal to, it is minus 2. It is minus 2. 2ax square plus bx raised to minus 3. And yes, you can write this term as it is. It is 2ax plus b. Clear? Okay, okay, yes, it is your answer. It is your answer. Now last one question. See, d upon dx, 3x square plus 2x plus 3 whole raised to 4. Whole raised to 4. How to find whole raised to 4? Again, we have to use chain rule. How to apply chain rule? See, is equal to 4 as it is, as a coefficient, 3x square plus 2x plus 3, decrease one power, that is 3, decrease one power, that is 3. Now chain rule means d upon dx of this term means it is 3x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay, then it is equal to, it is 4 3x square plus 2x plus 3 whole cube. How to differentiate this? It is 6x plus 2 plus 0. 6x plus 2 plus 0. So is equal to, it is 4. Yes, you can write this term here. Okay, it is 6x plus 2 and here it is 3x square plus 2x plus 3 whole cube. Yes, it is your answer. Clear about this? So it is chain rule in case of differentiation. It is chain rule in case of differentiation. Okay, now one question. See, it is very important question. It will solve more than two concepts in this question. Okay, see, for a moving particle, the relation between time and position is given by t is equal to ax square plus bx, where a and b are constant. Find the acceleration of particle as a function of velocity. Hello, here what is different? See, you are given equation of time and you are asked to find acceleration. You can understand. See, first question of today's lecture. First question of today's lecture. If you are given x, then first time differentiation, you will get velocity. Second time differentiation, you will get acceleration. But here you are given equation of time and you have to find acceleration. Then how to find this acceleration? See here. First of all, write equation of time. T is equal to ax square plus bx. Now what to? Okay, if you say, sir, make x as subject, it will be difficult to make x as subject. See what I will do. I will differentiate this equation with respect to x. Means dt upon dx. Then how to find dt upon dx? Yes, you have to apply your rule. Okay, differentiation is with respect to x, then is equal to a as it is. What is differentiation of x square? 2ax. Then yes, it is 2ax. Plus what is differentiation of bx? It is b. Clear about this? Okay, now you know what is velocity. Velocity v is equal to dx upon dt. Velocity v is equal to dx upon dt. And here it is dt upon dx. Yes. If you take its reciprocal, that is dx upon dt. I can write like this. There is 1 upon 2ax plus b. Clear about this? Okay. So now yes, this dx upon dt is called velocity v. And if I want to write this term, I can write like this. It is 2ax plus b is 2 minus 1. 2ax plus b raised to minus 1. Clear about this? Okay. Now it is again velocity. You have to find what is acceleration of particle. You have to find what is acceleration. Then yes, you know, to find acceleration, you have to differentiate velocity with respect to time. So yes, see, to find acceleration, a is equal to dv upon dt. Yes. Now you will say, sir, it is very easy. It is not easy. See, acceleration means differentiation of velocity with respect to time. But here you are given velocity as a function of x. Here you are given velocity as function of x. Then how to differentiate this velocity with respect to t? See, what will be? Here, I can write this term as dv upon dt, multiply dx and divide dx. Clear about this? Okay, see, this thing we have already seen in a theory, that is kinematic equations for uniformly accelerated motion with the help of calculus method. Now how to write this? See, a is equal to, okay, dv upon dx and dx upon dt. Clear about this? Okay, so A is equal to it is dV upon dx. What is dx upon dt? It is V. What is dx upon dt? It is V. Clear about this? Okay, now A is equal to d upon dx. What is equation of velocity? Here it is. It is 2ax plus b raised to minus 1 and v as it is and this v as it is. Clear? Clear? Okay. Now how to differentiate this? C is equal to, differentiation is with respect to x. Minus 1 power. Term is 2ax plus b. Term is 2ax plus b. Okay, then yes, we have to apply chain rule. We have to apply chain rule. How? First of all, take this minus 1 as coefficient. 2ax plus b, decrease 1 power means minus 2. Now differentiate the additional term again. Differentiate this additional term again. That is 2ax plus b and this last b as it is. Clear about this? Again, understand this term. Okay, we know that A is equal to dV upon dt. Multiply dx, divide dx. Make group dV upon dx, dx upon dt. Dx upon dt is equal to v. Put value of v, 2ax plus b raised to minus 1. Here differentiation is with respect to x. Minus 1 is not only power of x, it is power of 2ax plus b. Means it is additional term. Means you have to apply chain rule. So minus 1 power as coefficient, 2ax plus b, 1 power decrease, and then differentiation of additional term and this b as it is. Clear about this? Clear about this? Okay, many students have doubt in this step, but see carefully what is this step. Okay, okay. Now yes, you have to simplify this. It is minus 2ax plus b raised to minus 2. What is differentiation of 2x plus b? 2a. X differentiation is 1. Differentiation of b is 0 and this v as it is. Clear? See, now it is only 2a and b, so you can write this as here. So it is minus 2ab and it is 2ax plus b raised to minus 2. Okay, now you have to find acceleration as a function of velocity. It is 2, a is constant, b is velocity. What about this term? 2ax plus b raised to minus 2. 2ax plus b raised to minus 2. See here. V is equal to 2ax plus b raised to minus 1. Yes or no? If I take square on both sides, then what I will get? V square is equal to 2ax plus b raised to minus 2. Yes or no? Yes. So see, in this term, this 2ax plus b raised to minus 2. 2ax plus b raised to minus 2 is replaced by v square. Then it is equal to minus 2a into v square. So your answer is minus 2a v cube. And yes, it is your answer. Yes, it is your answer. So see, yes, it is one difficult question. Okay, you have to take differentiation, you have to apply chain rule, you have to use this concept, you have to convert this in velocity. Yes, it is one difficult question. Okay, so revise your video 1 or 2 times, see carefully each and every step, and then write down in your notebook. And if you have any doubt, then send your doubts on my WhatsApp number.